Hi, my name is Alak.
And my name is Arya.
In the early Vedic period, several kingdoms existed in the plains of Bihar.
Regions of Bihar such as Magadha, Mithila and Anga are mentioned in epics of ancient India. It is the land of birth of goddess Sita.
One of India's greatest empires, the Maurya Empire, as well as two major pacifist religions, Buddhism and Jainism, arose from the region that is now Bihar. Aryabhatta came to Patna for higher studies and lived here.
Bihar played a major role in the Indian independence struggle also. Most notable were the Champaran movement against the indigo plantation and the Quit India movement 1942.
Several prominent personalities are from this land like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of India.
But today, leaving behind the majestic history of Bihar, we are going to explore the only tiger reserve in Bihar. And do you know, it is named after the famous sage Valmiki, who wrote the Hindu epic Ramayana.
Yes, you're right, Arya. Now let us move to one of the most unexpected places of Bihar, VTR, Valmiki Tiger Reserve. It is a place where you can explore the famous Valmiki ashram.
So let us dive into the beauty of VTR.
Valmiki Tiger Reserve lies in the northwesternmost portion of West Champaran district of Bihar. Name of the district has been derived from two words, Champa and Aranya, meaning forest of Champa trees. There are three distinct entry points to this reserve.
The place is as green as possible and rich in biodiversity. This well-known tiger reserve in Bihar's Champaran district is a verdant sanctuary, teeming with diverse flora and fauna.
The reserve is a natural habitat for over 40 mammal species. The wildlife found in the forests of VTR are the majestic Bengal tiger, Indian rhinoceros, Asiatic elephant, Asiatic black bear, Indian sloth bear, otter, Indian leopard, wild dog, wild water buffalo and wild boar. There are several species of deer also. Apart from that, the leopard cat, fishing cat, monkeys, flying squirrel, clouded leopard, Indian gaur, mongoose, etc. can also be sighted in this area.
The forest is also a bird watcher's paradise as it houses more than 100 species of birds. If you are lucky enough, you would be able to spot the elusive sarus crane, peacocks, flowerpecker birds, parakeets and flycatchers hornbills in flight, swallow, bee-eaters, bulbuls and eagles. Birds like pipits, yellow wagtail, forest wagtail, lapwings are also found here.
The place was very beautiful. The song of birds were coming from every direction. The morning time in the forest is the best time to soothe your senses. The fresh and cold air, the songs of birds makes you feel relaxed.
Gaur, which is also known as Indian bison, is the state animal of Bihar. There are many nilgai, Sambhar, jungle fowl, cheetal, langurs, river lapwings, etc. found here.
The Valmiki Nagar National Park is rich in flora and fauna. It contains a combination of forests like moist mixed deciduous forests without sal, wet and dry sal forests and tropical swamp forests without wet grasslands and reed beds.
In short, the Valmiki Tiger Reserve is a perfect spot for wildlife lovers and nature enthusiasts, where they can witness the wonders of nature firsthand. So, if you get chance, then do visit VTR because this is the real Bihar.
Thank you.